Hi, welcome back. We're on, this video is for Chapter 6, Homework 1. We're starting off on 17. So we notice this angle and this angle are a match. So that's one set of angles that are a match. This angle is not a match. Nope, not a match, not a match, not a match, probably not a match. We're just going to say not similar. Okay, next one. 18. We got these things on top of each other. So I'm going to draw the mom, EGF, and I know angle G is a match for the mom and the baby because they're right on top. Angle G and on the mom and the baby are exactly the same. And then it looks like the baby is 33, 36, 39. So small, medium, large. Let's look at this mom. The mom is 44, 48, and I actually have to add these two up to find out the full side, the right side here. So 13 plus 39, 52. Okay. So now it looks like we could call this SAS or side, side, side. Either way is fine. Doesn't matter to me. So I'm just going to set it up small, medium, large. Small, medium, large. Small, medium, large. These are big numbers, but I can definitely cross multiply to solve. Okay, so right now that's looking good. Let's keep going. I'll do those guys. Ooh, okay. So I can say yes because of side, side, side. I can also say yes because side, angle, side. Now let's name it. So GFE, GFE. So I went across the small side to the medium side. I didn't trace across the big side. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Across the small and then to the medium. So GLM. Okay. Now the numbers switch up here a little bit, but that's okay. So we've got question 13 on the back. Ooh. This was redundant. We already did this. That's weird. So this is a typo. Those are just redundant, so that's nice. On the back, all we have left to do are these, so that's kind of fun. Okay, so now we went from, 18 to 19, so let's look at 19. Now I've got some extra room here. So this means they're parallel, so that means if these two lines are parallel, those would be slider friends. Those are corresponding angles. I also know these would be corresponding angles. I also know angle E is the same because the mom and the baby are on top of each other. So I actually know that this has to be yes because of angle similarity. Now let's just name it. EFG, EFG, so that I went from angle E, F is a match, and G. We know F and Q are the same angle, so we could name the baby EQR. Okay. That's a little hard to say. Okay, next one, 20. So we see one of the angles is a match, 91 and 91. And so it looks like this might be SAS if the sides make the same ratio. So we're going to set up small, medium, small, medium, small, medium, small, medium, small, medium. Cross multiply to solve. $320, $320. That's a match, so we put yes because of side angle side. Now let's name it RST. So I went across the small side and across the side I don't know. So I got to do the same thing here across the small side and the side I don't know. KLM. Okay. So now it looks like the mom and the baby are on top of each other. The baby has angle S, D, and C. Looks like this is 6, and maybe that's all we know. But if the whole thing's 36 and that's 24, we can subtract to figure out what that length is. So this would have to be 12. Now that's not really to scale. If that's 24 and that's 12, it looks bigger. But 24 plus 12 is 36. So we know the baby is 12 on this side, 6 on that side. And doing math, this means it must be 10 because 10 plus 20 has to be 30. So this is the dimensions of the baby. Now let's take a look at the mom. So the mom is RQS. Again, both of them have angle S, so that's a fit. And let's write down mom's dimensions. So this one looks like it's either going to be, it could be SAS, side, angle, side, or side, side, side. So it could be both, but all these have to make the same ratio. So let's write them out least to greatest. 6, 10, 12, small, medium, large, 18, 30, 36, 18, 30, 36. Now let's cross multiply to solve. So that worked out. Now let's look at the second set here. 10 times 36 is 360. 30 times 12 is 360. So we have to say yes because of side angle side or side side side. Both would be correct. Now let's name it. So they started angle S. We know angle S's are a match. So I have to start with angle S here, and they named it SRO. So they went across the longest side, 36, SRQ. They went across the longest side and then across the short side. So doing the same in the baby, I go across the long, and then the short, so SDC. Looking here, these arrows mean they're parallel. So that means this angle has to match this angle because of corresponding. This angle matches this angle because of corresponding. These angles are a match because they're laying on top of each other. So this has to be yes because of angle-angle similarity. Now let's name it. FGH would have to match FKL. All right, another one of these. So this would be 11 because 55 minus 44 is 11. And if the whole thing is 70, this would have to be 56. Okay, so let's set this up. We know that angle's a match. So let's just set them up small, medium, large. 32, 44, 56 for the baby. Small, medium, large, so it's the small is 40, medium 55, large is 70. Okay, so those I got the same. Let's double check this. So I have to put yes because of side angle side or triple S. Now let's name it TUV. So I went across the longest side and then the short side. So I'm going to do the same, longest side and short, TQR. Okay, so this angle is a match. And these sides might make the same ratio. So this could spell SAS. Let's set them up small, medium. So small, 42, 84. Small, medium, 91, 182. Yes, because the side angle side. Now let's name it. We went from the angle that's a match, angle F, across the big side, and then the side we don't know about. So we're going to do the same thing. Start with where we had the two necklaces, angle U, across the big side, and then the side we don't know. So UVW. Last question. Now we know these angles. We don't know what their measurement is, but we know they're equal. So this could be side angle side, side angle side. Okay, let's set them up small, medium. So in the small triangle, here's my small triangle. I have 25 and 43, excuse me. And in my big triangle, I have 32 and 56. Okay, 32, 56. Let's cross multiply. Uh-oh, finally. These are not equal, so you have to say no, not similar. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate it.